Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to add Discord links to your Roblox. So firstly, we will open our browser, and in the search panel of our browser, we will type discord.com. Then open Discord on our browser. Now the Discord will load. After that, make sure you are logged in with your ID. Then go to your group's your Discord server. Then click on invite people. From there, you can copy the code of your Discord server, which you can add to your group. In order to do that, we'll go to a Roblox website, roblox.com. Then click on it. After getting into the server, we have to navigate to the left-hand side of your screen and click on groups. Now we have to select our group, and at the top right corner of our group there is 3 dots. Firstly, we will click it. After clicking the 3 dots, the configure group option will come. You have to left click on it. After that, from the left hand side, you have to navigate to the social links section, and after navigating to there, you have to click on add link. You can only add up to 3 social links for your Roblox group, so keep that in mind. After clicking on add link, a new window will open where you will see a drag down box where you can select the type of link you would like to add. From there, you have to select Discord, and in the title you can also add the name of your server. After you click on Discord, the Discord links will be available to input. Then you can just right click on the upper section and paste the server link you just copied previously, and that's how you can add a Discord link to your Roblox group. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.